If you are ready to scale your impact, maximize your time, and significantly boost your revenue, group coaching is your ticket there. Whether you are running high-energy workshops, live cohort events, or multi-week programs, Delenta I's group coaching feature makes managing large groups completely seamless. Let's walk through how to set up your first group package. To get started, head over to your Packages section and select Group Package. First, nail down the fundamentals. Add an engaging title, a compelling description, your target group size, and your official start date. Delenta lets you create both limited or unlimited session group offerings that can be run as an ongoing community. Next, design your session plan. You can keep it beautifully simple, like a bundle of 10 one-hour group sessions, or design a bespoke client journey. Want to kick things off with a swift 30-minute orientation? Follow up with 6 deep dive hourly workshops, and close with a 30-minute celebration wrap-up. You can build and sequence it exactly how you envision it. When it comes to monetizing your group, you have ultimate flexibility. You can offer the program entirely for free or use our prepaid option, which is absolute magic for corporate coaching. If an HR department is footing the bill and paying you directly outside the system, the prepaid setting lets you onboard their team members smoothly without forcing them through a public payment gateway. Selling directly to consumers? Choose the paid option to accept standard single payments or design custom payment plans across multiple cadences, whether that's monthly, quarterly, or annually to fit your clients' budgets. A great group experience starts the second a member signs up. To ensure everyone is aligned, embed your customized terms and conditions, or require a formal electronic contract right at registration. You can also supercharge their onboarding experience by bundling high-value assets directly to the package. Instant resources, deliver welcome slide decks, workbooks, or guides automatically upon sign-up. Intake forms, capture crucial data and background information about your attendees before the first live event even begins. Live or drip courses, pair a digital course with your live workshops. You can set the content to unlock immediately, drip feed 24 to 48 hours later, or drop on a precise custom calendar date to align perfectly with your live curriculum. Before going live, review your masterpiece. Choose whether to mandate phone number collection at checkout, toggle on coupon codes for special promotional discounts, and publish the offer straight to your public Delenta I landing page. And that's it. Your group experience is ready for the world. Simply copy your unique purchase link, share it with your audience, and watch the registrations roll in. What are you waiting for? Let's create the perfect premium group experience for your community. Get cracking today.